Okay. Sri E.T. Mohammed Bashir.
Sir, for giving me this opportunity. Sir, I am raising a very important issue that is pertaining to the NRI voting right. Sir, it's quite unfortunate. This House agreed to that, Government of India agreed to that, then Election Commission also agreed to that, then Supreme Court okayed it. In spite of all these things, it is not taking place. It's a story, it's a very, very deplorable thing, sir. NRI voting right. That decision was taken by this August House. It was a revolutionary step we have taken. Unfortunately, that has not been implemented. So we know that there are 10 million Indian citizens working in abroad. As an average, 18,000 voters are there in 543 parliamentary constituencies of India. So it is governments of India stand. I feel that it is a negative. They should have taken some more interest in that. India being the biggest democracy in the world, we should show a model to the entire world in this. Sir, it is quite unfortunate that government is not taking any interest in this. Sir, coming to the Kerala situation, Kerala is going for the polls in the first half of 2016. Kerala government have requested Government of India and Election Commission to take expedite action on this. Sir, as far as Kerala is concerned, we all know that Kerala's very economy, there is high influence of this NRI remittance in Kerala. We are having a special interest in that, sir. Sir, you must be knowing the figure. As far as Kerala is concerned, its NRI remittance crossed 1 lakh crore in March 2015, which is 70% hike than the last year. Deposit in the public sector bank by the NRIs in Kerala is 64 lakh 7,000 crores, and private bank it is 14 lakhs and 900 crores. See, it may even go to 2 lakhs crores. Sir, this NRI voting right, even though we have all agreed to that, this House was proud enough in giving a consent to that. Why Government of India is taking such a reluctant stand? I appeal Government of India to implement this and show honesty in that. Government for India should take immediate action on getting this thing implemented in our country. The entire country will be proud enough to get this idea into action.